Every day, online coaches they lose leads because they cannot reply fast enough. So I built a system that fixes that. It watches your posts, your reels, and your stories from Instagram or Facebook and pulls in anyone who engages from your comment section into your DM, and it follows up instantly, it qualifies them and books them straight onto your calendar. No manual chasing, no leads falling through the cracks. Work with me and I'll show you. So this is my Instagram account, and let's say I created a content and I placed a call to action in that content that asks people to comment the keyword blueprint to get the lead magnet. And once they go to the content, I'm using the content as an example, and they comment the keyword blueprint, they will automatically get a DM sent to them. Says, "Hi, I saw your comment about the ManyChat flow that pulls leads into your DM and turns them into clients. And I click the button that says send a blueprint. Then it will walk you through series of automation that captures your email contact so that if I want to follow you up through email, I can follow you up. So what's your email? So I can send your ManyChat workflow straight to your inbox. And I say, and I drop something like miguel5@gmail.com. So it's going to ask me a question. I have your email as this. Is this correct or you need to change it? So I'll just say correct. It goes to the next one. What's your first name? Miguel is my first name. I need to send the link to you on here and via email. So this is where I deliver the lead magnet to the person. I automatically send the lead magnet to the person in the DM and also send a welcome email to the person via the email that the person posted. So this is where the automation starts. This is where the follow-up process starts. This is where the AI agent takes over. So be honest, are you actively looking for a way to get more consistent clients right now or just curious? And let's say, yeah, um, consistently looking for ways to get more clients, more clients. So I've responded to this AI and let's see the reply. Here is got it. Are you using anything right now to follow up with these like email, the CRM or ManyChat? So I'll reply by saying I use ManyChat right now. Sometimes email follow up, no CRM. So that's it. So I just want to send multiple messages to this AI agent so that you guys can see how this AI agent is going to take the whole messages, no matter how much the message is, and aggregate them. Then reason back and send me the answer. I want to show you guys the backend. I want to show you guys ManyChat, how I set up the ManyChat, and I also want to show you guys how I set up the NAN that does most of the automation at this point. So this is the ManyChat workflow. This is a workflow that is responsible for for collecting the contact information and delivering the lead magnets to the prospect. This is lead magnets, and that is this lead magnet right here. So this is a workflow that is responsible for delivering the lead magnets, and this is a workflow that sends, continues the workflow from the lead magnet. This is the one that actually sends to the NAN AI agent to get the answers back, and this one right here, what it does is that it collects the answers that the AI agent has processed and populates the field and then sends it back to the user. And this last one right here, what it actually does is that once the user requests to speak with human, it will automatically pause the bot, the automation, and it will notify me by sending me an email that this person actually wants to talk to a human, and I'll just take over the conversation. So I'm going to show you guys the workflow of how this automation actually works in NAN. So you see everything is, the execution is all are successful, none has an error. So let me explain this animation to you guys. This is a webhook. This is a webhook that receives input from the ManyChat and sends it to the AI agent. So I'm currently using Google Gemini for reasoning. Our advice for real-time business purposes should use something like Claude because Claude is actually good for conversation, or ChatGPT 5.0 or 4.0 mini. And this AI agent here collects all the prompts and everything. And this one actually stores memory, the conversation history, so that once I send a message, the AI agent will go and check if I have a conversation history, takes that history and reasons, then know what to send to me. And this node here, what it actually does is that if I request to speak with human, it sends the message here to this HTTP that sends me a message for handover so that I can take over the conversation right from the inbox, from the Instagram. And this one actually sends the message. If I don't request to speak with human, if we're still having normal conversation, you can just go through here. This is the pathway goes through this place. This one actually handles the formatting of the message, formats the message in a natural Instagram style so that it looks like a one-liner sentence instead of a chunk or text. And this is a code that does most of the work, the formatting work and all that, and removes all the hyphens, all the dashes, and all that, and then sends it straight to the NAN, populates the field in the send answer flow, and then I can receive the answer here in NAN, now ManyChat, and then ManyChat sends the answer to the user. And this is the workflow. This is how everything works. So this is a system that actually reaches out automatically to your leads, figures out if they are good fits, follows up with them, and books them all on an appointment. And you just focus on the delivering on the booking call and getting your clients. And that's it. So if you need it set up in your business right now, you can DM me the word clients, and we'll figure out the right system that is a fit for you. So I'll see you guys at the top. It's just Miguel here.